type flew for the first time on the 8th of January 1944 as the P-80 Shooting Star. It was the first American jet fighter at the time. It was evolved during the Second World War, of which 4 aircraft were deployed to Europe, 2 to England and 2 to Italy. The aircraft never got to see any combat action during World War II. The jet age was developing very fast, and the T-33, or actually the P-80 Shooting Star, proved to be an aircraft that was obsolete quite quickly as a fighter. However, Lockheed decided to... The T-33 was produced in more than 6,500 numbers